boy.
Magandang umaga po. Masyado nang busy ang mundo. Sobrang ingay na. Dahil dyan, mag-enjoy muna kami.
Okay ka, tapos dito ka sa gitna nila kayo.
Ready or not,
Let's go!
ready or not, ready or not, ready or not, yeah. And they said go, so I'ma do it too. They push me out, so I'ma do
challenge,
it.
maganda challenge. Ngayon, ang gagawin namin, mag-iikot-ikot kami, subukan namin mangingi ng 5. Ako na! Woo! Let's go! Para sa toyo, at suka, at kalamansi. Wala ba kayong mga kamay dyan? Woo! Come on, banat! Kinakaban! Ayos! Nakaban eh! Let's go! Baka sakaling mahal. Let's go! Thank you! Ang babait ninyo, thank you! Ay na! Ayun tayo! Let's go! Salamat po! Toyo na may halong suka. Ito na, may isaw-sawa na tayo sa ano natin, man. Galing mo! Wow!
Ay, nagalap na ako kanin, swap na eh.
Hey, let's go! Galing mo, Min! Galing ako! Shoutout po dito kay Sir Rafael. Napakakain nila! Makakakain na kami! Pangalawa pamilya mo, Lena! Parang makapag nakuha ng kanin. Magengeng po pangalan niya, Magengeng. Shoutout dito sa cottage na to, binigyan kami. Hey, let's go!
I said it really ain't no pressure. It's what Davia. Shawty wanna leave me, new deadlier. Pockets heavier. Tryna reach that top when I'm on my spot, then I'm finna break barriers. Ain't too many play fair with us. I don't wanna hear what they telling us. It's saying they jealous. Need new friends, no enemies. Nobody stealing my energy. I ain't really giving out sympathy, no sympathy. I said I've been there, right in front of them, right in front.
Nakita po natin yung magandang spot dito, guys. So, dito naman ako. Ayan. So, ako yung gilalagay niyan. Paki-ano na lang. Dali ako, we have only ano lang. Hindi sirain pa yung nilagay namin ba to? Maliit ang dapat yan.
It look easy, really don't got no limits, ay. Really don't got no boundaries. High school days they clowning me, 10 years plus they crowning me. I like how that sounded me. I've been the one that's gonna run it up. Always been different since coming up. You wanna win, you should come with us. Ain't no mistake, I'ma double up.